When you think of classic American muscle cars, one name that often comes to mind is the Pontiac Trans Am. Known for its aggressive looks, powerful engines, and that iconic screaming chicken decal on the hood, the Trans Am has secured its place in automotive history. But what if you could take all the nostalgia of the classic Trans Am and combine it with the power and performance of a modern engine? That's exactly what's happened with this stunning 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, which has undergone a complete Restomod transformation. The result is a muscle car that brings the best of both worlds, the classic design and the modern performance to match. This Restomoded 1977 Trans Am is more than just a restoration. It's a full-on 2-year rotisserie restoration done by second-gen engineering in the US. The car has been stripped down to its core, and every detail has been meticulously reworked, making it not just a showpiece but a car that's ready to be driven and enjoyed. The result is a muscle car that retains all the classic appeal of the original Trans Am but with a foundation that's been thoroughly modernized. The most noticeable upgrade is the engine. Gone is the original power plant, replaced with a 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine, which is capable of producing an impressive 460 horsepower. This engine is not only more powerful than the original but also benefits from modern engineering, giving it a significant boost in reliability and performance. The LT1 engine is paired with custom stainless steel headers and a new 3-inch exhaust, ensuring that this Trans Am sounds as good as it performs. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a Tremec TR60 6-speed manual transmission, which offers a level of driving engagement that is hard to match. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking the car for a spirited drive, this transmission adds to the visceral feel of the car, making it a pure driving experience. The suspension has also been upgraded with Viking performance coilovers at the front and double-adjusted shocks at the rear, giving this Trans Am the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Add to that an adjustable rear sway bar, and you have a car that can handle tight corners and open roads with equal grace. But this Trans Am isn't just about the mechanical upgrades. The interior has also been carefully updated to offer modern comfort without sacrificing the car's classic appeal. The original dashboard has been preserved and restored, including the gauge cluster and dash bezel, keeping the car's authentic look intact. However, the car does get a modern touch with new bucket seats and door panels that provide a fresh feel. The sound system is no slouch either, with an Alpine head unit paired with a 1,200-watt subwoofer to give you a concert-like experience every time you turn on the engine. The car has only been driven 2,500 miles since its restoration, making it practically brand new. It's a car that has been rebuilt from the ground up and is ready to hit the road. If you're someone who appreciates American muscle and has a soft spot for classic Pontiac Trans Ams, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of history with modern-day performance. This Trans Am is currently headed to auction in Indianapolis this week, where it's expected to fetch up to $160,000. While that price may seem steep for some, when you consider the level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that has gone into this Restomod, it's easy to see why this car commands such a price tag. If you've always dreamed of owning a Trans Am but wanted something that blends classic style with modern performance, this Restomoded 1977 Trans Am might just be your perfect match.